Hello everyone, welcome to yet another cooking video. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm making poached eggs in tomato sauce. So first I did put some salt and white vinegar. Gonna make the poached eggs first, then we'll put them aside. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and please like this video. So drop your eggs into the pot lightly. Make sure not to break the egg yolks. I did not cook the eggs for too long. I don't want them to be hard boiled. So there the eggs are done. I put them aside. Gonna start cooking the tomato sauce now. So in a frying pan, put some cooking oil, then fry your onions and garlic. Gonna fry this for a little while, then I will add the tomatoes. My garlic and onions are done. Now I'm putting in the grated tomatoes. Gonna stir for some minutes. There I'm adding some black pepper and Italian herbs. I just put them in one container. So gonna cook that for a few minutes. There my tomatoes and onions, they are looking good. Now it's cooked. So at this point I'm gonna add some tomato paste and we'll stir it and cook it for some time. Then I will add some water so that the soup won't be so thick. is my sauce. Doesn't it look yummy? So now after adding some water and leaving it to cook, at this point I'm now adding some chopped green pepper, because you don't want the green pepper to be overcooked. That's why I'm adding it at last. Then after that, we mix with the poached eggs. There is the sauce. Yummy. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.